Hello everybody, Blessed Chick here. This is exciting. I love when I just plug in a product and it just works like it's supposed to work. And this is a wireless doorbell. And it's got 36 different musics. It's got 36 different sounds that you can choose from. And, you know, I'm actually going to use this, funny enough, out by my mailbox because I get a lot of packages and my poor mailman is always having to bring them up. So I was thinking, hey, I'll stick this in the mailbox and he can ring it and I'll come meet him out there if I'm quick enough. So let's plug this in, right? Wherever you're going to plug it wherever you're going to be most often. It sounds good in my kitchen because I can hear it mostly through the house. I did struggle a bit to open this back piece up. I had to actually push it really hard with this little nifty tool that came included to get it open, but it does come with the battery. That's not like a AA or AAA, that's like a 23A 12 volt alkaline. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on now that you are here. Oh, I've already rang the doorbell. Okay, comes with some 3M tape right there to stick right there so you can place this nifty thing wherever you want. Let me go through some of the different sounds. I apologize, it's going to be a little bit loud, but I didn't even look at the directions. It comes with some directions, they're not even needed. But let's choose some different sounds. Some are quieter than others, but you can turn up the volume. It also flashes, this part flashes blue like crazy. Here's how you change the sound right here. Here's where you turn the volume up or down. I mean, you just keep pressing it, it goes up or down. Overall, I'm super excited about this. Literally, you just plug it in, put in the battery, and you're good to go. I tested this all the way out from the street. So that's like, gosh, I don't know. It's like, I'm not good at feet, but it's a long distance away. Let's see what this says. It says 200 to 300 meters. So, yeah. So, I mean, it's a pretty good distance. So, I definitely recommend this. This is 5 stars, and you could hear, you know, your common sounds and songs. So, I love it. Yeah, 5 stars. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.